Hi honeys, how's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. I just came from this place called Red Star. I've been hearing about how good their chicken wings are. So it's in the same area as where Pete's Fresh Market is. So I decided to give them a try. So this is Friday's Takeout. Let me show you. Oops. Okay, I didn't ask for no fries. Walter, he likes fries. It's 12 wings. I got barbecue sauce and I got the sweet fire sauce. So there's 12 wings. And if I had bought 12 wings in the grocery store, it would have cost more than this. So if it tastes good, then I say it's a good buy. A big old wing, yeah. Whew. Piping hot. I'll taste these fries, but I don't care nothing about them. It's a big taste, ain't it? Okay. I'm gonna taste one of these wings for y'all. Of course, I didn't break it apart or nothing. Hit the rest of my arm on something. Very good. Red Star. What's the real name of it? Red Star. I think it's called Red Star Bar. Was in Matteson, Illinois. The wings are phenomenal. They got catfish. They got burgers, got nachos, stuff like that. They sell drinks. We got TVs all over the place. Okay, let me get my eat on. So thanks for watching. Give me a thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. You all have a very blessed rest of the day. Bye.